Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. My name is Michelle, and this is my meaningful life. If you are new here, welcome. I can't wait to hear what you have to say in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon down below to be notified at any time I upload new content. If you are already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. I have enjoyed uploading these videos and sharing my day with you. I am starting out my day with some much needed coffee. Hi guys, my name is Michelle. This is my meaningful life, and I wanted to come on here to let you know that I am staying safe during this time. I am still safe. I am running with the allergies right now. It is crazy. The allergies are crazy. I think this is the worst allergy season I've had since I was a kid. But other than that, I'm good. I am excited to tell you about all the things we have today. We have a BLT, we have a salad, and we have breakfast burritos. Those breakfast burritos were off the chain. It was the perfect way to start the day out, and it was the perfect way to start the week on a successful note. And then I had salads during the week, and then I had BLTs and a couple other things for dinner. I didn't record all the other things, but I will show you the BLT. That BLT was off the chain. Oh my gosh. It was just perfect. And then the trick that the Holy Ghost told me, oh my gosh, about the breakfast burritos. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. I never thought about doing flipping the tortillas, where the ingredients in the burrito are still inside both of the tortillas. All you have to do is flip it. I think that was the coolest thing ever. I would love to hear what you have to say about these beautiful recipes. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what you would change, and how did you make these to make them your recipes. I have an Instagram where I give you up to date of what I'm eating. I probably post more there than I do here because I'm actually showing you, taking pictures of what I eat so that you can get encouraged, and so that you can see that I'm a normal person and I have a normal life, and I wanted to share the pictures that of the meals I'm eating. Okay guys, let's get into it. The most important meals of the day is breakfast, and we are going to enjoy it throughout this week. We are going to make some breakfast burritos. So every day next week starts out on a good note. We are going to cook bacon in the oven. I have preheated this oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it is preheated, I will put the bacon in and cook it until crispy. I checked on it often to make sure that I wasn't overcooking it. What is a breakfast burrito without sausage? I do not know, but we are going to add some to ours. I'm going to cook these sausages until they are brown and no longer pink. I love the beautiful power of modern technology, so we don't have to just sit there and watch the sausages cooked, because that can take what seems like forever. We can just fast forward to the very end when they are fully cooked. Next come the eggs. I'm going to use the same pan I cooked the sausage in, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan.
This is 1 carton of egg whites. I'm going to scramble them up and set them aside. We're ready to cook some hash browns. As you can see, I'm utilizing the same pan for everything, except for the bacon. I like to use the same pan, especially because the flavors from the previous ingredients I just cooked are still in there. Just add some hash browns to a pan and cook to your desired crunchiness. It's time to assemble. My favorite part. We are going to make an assembly line. Each burrito is going to get a little bit of everything we just cooked with some Cholula and cheese. It's going to have some cheese on the bottom of the tortilla. Then, in no particular order, the eggs, hash browns, bacon, and sausage. Then you top all of those ingredients with some more cheese. And then you add the Cholula or the hot sauce of your choice. The best way to wrap burritos that I found in making this video is to fold in the sides, grab the bottom of the tortilla that is closest to you, and pull the ingredients towards you. Once the ingredients are in the bubble you just created, you roll the tortilla until it is fully closed. Okay, y'all, I just found the coolest trick ever when your burritos are falling apart. One of my burritos was doing just that. It was tearing, so I had to create a new one with the ingredients that were in the middle of the burrito. I didn't want to have to do the challenge of putting them on a plate and then having to rewrap the burrito. Instead, what I did was I opened up the burrito, put a new tortilla on top of it that was not tearing, and then what I did was I grabbed both tortillas so that they're closed together, and I flipped it. That was the coolest thing ever. I never thought about doing that. So basically, instead of having the ingredients be in the teared, now that you flipped it, you've put the ingredients on top of the non-teared or the good tortilla. All I had to do after that was wrap up the tortilla and create the burrito. It was the coolest thing ever. It's time to package everything up so it does not spoil. I put each burrito into a baggie. I also put the remaining ingredients in a baggie. What we had left over at the end of this beautiful breakfast meal prep, 2 baggies of sausage, 1 baggie of bacon, and then our beautiful, scrumptious, delicious breakfast burritos. I ended up having 2 of these for breakfast, and I just grilled them up into a pan and made sure that they were nice and warm and nice and toasted. Is your mouth watering looking at these breakfast burritos? I know mine is. These were absolutely beautiful. What's for lunch, you ask? Salad. We are going to start out by using a bag of sweet kale. We are going to add it to our meal prep containers. We're going to slice these mini peppers. One way to get our mind excited about eating salads is to make them more colorful. When we see the colors of the rainbow on our salad, it is pleasing to our eye. And like I have said in previous videos, the first thing to eat our food is not our mouth, it is our eyes. So let's slice up these mini peppers and see what else we have in store. We're going to dice up some onion, mushroom, tomato, and some cucumbers for the salad. This helps it be more colorful. So now we have red, orange, white, green, purple, yellow, and brown. Can you find them? How can you make your salads more colorful? What protein would you add? There are so many different kinds of protein, both vegetarian and meat. So how do you make your salad? Since I was hungry, I took the salad from the meal prep containers and made my own salad. I dumped the sweet kale onto the plate, then I add the mushrooms, mini peppers, onions, tomato, and cucumber. I can see the rainbow. The first rainbow represented a promise. What promise are you going to make to yourself during this time? Look at our salad. Isn't it beautiful? Let's talk dinner. There is nothing wrong with having something you would normally have for lunch for dinner. There's nothing wrong with having breakfast for dinner either. But this is about lunch. Tonight we are making BLTs. I was craving a BLT and I had all the ingredients for it. And boy, was it satisfying. I started out with slicing my onion and tomato. Then I cut some lettuce so it will fit the sandwich. I took the bacon that we cooked earlier and I warmed it up in the microwave. Here's all the ingredients you need to make a beautiful BLT. Let's make a sandwich. I toasted the bread because I like my sandwiches with toasted bread. I bought this barbecue mayo from Walmart, not sponsored. I thought it looked interesting and I wanted to try it. It was not a mistake. This was the perfect ingredient, this perfect spread for the BLT. I added the barbecue mayo to the bread. I like to use a spoon instead of a knife. I feel it smooths it out more. Don't be afraid to move sauces from one slice to another because you put too much on one slice. I add the lettuce first because we are working with a tomato. And let's face it, you guys, tomatoes, because it's a wet fruit, it will make the bread soggy. And that is not a texture I can deal with. So I add the lettuce as a barrier between the bread and the tomato. The lettuce protects the bread from the juice of the tomato. Next, I add the tomato. Then I add the onion. And then finally the bacon. To finish it up, I add 2 slices of pepper jack cheese. And if I had it, I would have added avocados. I cut the sandwich in half and it was ready to enjoy. This hit the spot. It was exactly what I was craving. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there during these perilous times. Remember to show grace and mercy. Forgive one another. In the description box below, you will find the links to the recipes. Just click the link and it will either take you to my drive where you can download it, or it will take you to the website where I found the recipe. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down below. I always love hearing your comments. Hit subscribe and the bell icon down below to be notified anytime I upload new content. My name is Michelle. This is My Meaningful Life. Have a great day.